Hey Tube, welcome back. What are advantages of REST web services? So, REST, which stands for Representational State Transfer, the REST web services offer several advantages that make them popular choice for designing network application, particularly for web APIs. We can talk about some of them that are quite obvious. First, the learning curve because it's easy since it works on HTTP protocol. It supports multiple technologies. It has no contract defined between server and client, so loosely coupled implementation. Also, REST is a lightweight protocol, and REST methods can be tested easily over the browser. These are things that we already know, but let's take just deep dive on it. In terms of an interview, there are some more aspects or some more point that your interviewer might want to ask about. We start first about something that we did talk about, which is the simplicity and ease of use. One of the main benefits of REST is its simplicity. Developers find it easy to understand and implement because it uses the standard HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. These are universal verbs that developers are familiar with, making REST an intuitive choice for web services. Number two, statelessness. REST is stateless, meaning that each request from a client to a server must contain all information needed to execute the request. The server does not store any state about the client session. This simplifies server designing and improves scalability as a server does not need to maintain session information for each client. Number three, scalability. Due to its stateless nature and the ability to cache responses, REST can support large numbers of clients. The server's workload is reduced because it can rely on clients to cache responses, thus decreasing the number of direct requests needed. Number four, which is related to number three, which is cacheability. HTTP built-in caching mechanism can be leveraged to improve performance and scalability. Responses can be labeled as cacheable or non-cacheable, allowing clients to reuse responses for identical requests, which reduces the need to contact the server and speeds up the applications overall. Number five, flexibility and portability. Output from REST APIs can be re-rendered in XML, JSON, or other formats based on client client needs, making it easy to structure the data in a way that can be best utilized by the client. This flexibility allows REST APIs to be used in variety of system environments and platforms. Number six, decoupled and layered system. REST allows for decoupled architecture where the client does not need to know the details of the server's implementation, and the server can also be unaware of the client type, browser, mobile app, etc. RESTful services can also be layered, meaning that different services or servers or services can sit between the client and resource server, providing load balancing, caching, or security layer without affecting the client server interaction. Number seven, uniform interface. REST APIs provide a uniform interface which helps in generalizing the interactions between the components. This facilitates independent evaluation of the application without having the client and server tightly coupled. This is particularly useful for internet scale applications where multiple systems need to communicate with each other. Number eight, which is last, internet friendly. REST is built in on top of HTTP, which designs for network applications. This makes REST inherently supportive of internet-based communication and interactions patterns. So these advantages have contribute to widespread adoption of REST as the standard for designing web APIs. It supports easy interactions between clients and servers, and it's particularly well suited for building services that can be consumed by a variety of clients, including browsers, mobile devices, and desktop applications. So that's it for this video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problem.